Hey guys, it's me, Empress with Empress Connection LLC, and I am back to do another read for my lovely Scorpios. This is definitely going to be a relationship and love read. Okay, this is going to be for Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and or Venus signs. We'll go ahead and dive into it. Spirit, angel guides, most high, ancestors, what can you tell me about Scorpio's love life here? What messages can you give me about Scorpio's love life? We have forgiving and learning. Okay, as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moments. Okay, so Scorpio, some of you Scorpios is in a state of healing, learning, forgiving. Okay, we have religious factors. Okay, but it came in the reverse. All right, some of you all are actually in a relationship or what was in a very religious type of relationship. Okay, some of you all chose to not go the religious route with your counterpart here. Okay, some of you all found out that your counterpart wasn't as religious as you were. Okay, and you're learning to like forgive and heal from that deception of that. Okay, what else do we have for Scorpio in love and it's too many? What else do we? That's too many. Okay, well, it's only 3. I'll take it. Some of you all, I was going to say, are not religious at all. Okay, and you guys do not even have that religion in your relationship. Okay, we have healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay, some of you all came from out of a very religious household here. And a lot of things happened there in that household, okay? And you're learning to like forgive, learn, heal. Some of y'all are healing from that, okay? It says pay attention to the red flags here, okay? There's some signs that you're getting that's cautioning you, and then it also says reconciliation. So somebody from your past or someone from your past is wanting to come back, okay? They're wanting to return back to you. All right, what else can you tell us about love for Scorpio here? What else can you tell us about love for Scorpio? What messages? Okay, you feel stabbed in the back here, heartbroken. Somebody really deceived you in a way, okay? Somebody probably lied to you and said they were religious and they weren't, okay? You probably been hurt in your childhood, you know, from a family member possibly, okay? And that's really affecting your love life, okay? Could have been a church member which brought you out of the church, right? Which brought you out of religion because something happened in that time. So I do apologize for that because that is heavy, Scorpio. What else do we have here for Scorpio? We have sunglasses. Yeah, somebody was gaslighting you. Okay, somebody could have been stalking you. All right. We have mirroring each other, soulmates, the golden mirror, coffin, and healing heart. Okay, you may have thought that you all were soulmates. Whoever this person was just really was a very manipulative person. They gaslighted you. They were narcissistic. Okay, it was always about them, never about you. Okay, but you do feel like you all are soulmates. You all are that you all mirror each other, right? I'm getting like that twin flame energy here. Okay, there was some kind of ending here, and you're really just trying to heal your heart. But I really feel like this person that you are going through this with is really trying to come in and reconciliate. You all have a lot of deep rooted situations that you all are trying to work through or needing to work through, Scorpio. Okay, because somebody wants to take that risk. Somebody does want to work on this situation. They're just trying to play like they don't. Okay, whatever that was really heavy. All right, let's get some more information about love and relationship for Scorpio here. Okay, we have the Six of Swords. Yeah, you have decided at one point or another, Scorpio, you have decided to move on. Okay. Okay, we do have the card of reconciliation here as well. It seems like as you are deciding to move on into calmer waters, like somebody is trying to come in and reconciliate with you. Okay, what else? What else for Scorpio in love and romance? Yeah, they're trying to offer you this new, they're trying to offer this relationship a new beginning. Okay? They're either wanting you to make the sacrifice or they're going to be making the sacrifice here. I think that you really want them to make the sacrifice to come towards you. So you may be the one that's actually not really showing your true colors or not really showing your true emotions because you want them to chase after you. You want them to sacrifice something for you. All right, let's go ahead and clarify the Six of Swords for Scorpio in love. Let's clarify the Six of Swords for Scorpio in love, Spirit. Thank you. We have the Queen of Wands. Yeah, you're wanting to move, you actually moved forward into the beautiful and actually blossomed as well into the beautiful person that you are. Okay, that charismatic person, that energetic person. Okay, that beautiful person here. Okay, you could be dealing with the fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius, or Leo. Let's clarify this Three of Cups here. Somebody actually, and this is just for some of you all, somebody actually moved on to someone else. And they're realizing that when they did that, that's what really that's what really made you feel stabbed in the back. But now they're trying to come back around and reconciliate the situation with you. Yeah, somebody was just kind of trying to move on and then found out the grass wasn't greener on the other side. That's just for some of you. Let's clarify this Three of Cups, please, Spirit. Thank you. Yeah. See? So they're wanting to come in and definitely take this relationship and move it into calmer waters. Okay, they're wanting to reconciliate, but also they did move on. There was a third party and they went to a third party. That hurt you. Okay, let's clarify this Ace of Wands, please. It's like they moved on and now they're coming back in the same boat, though. You know what I'm saying? They're coming back in the same boat. I literally just heard that. Give me 1 second. Okay. Sorry. All right, let's go ahead and clarify this Ace of Wands, please. Yeah, they're definitely coming back from, the past This person here, they're definitely coming back and they're offering you a new beginning here. They're offering you new stability. Okay, yep. They're offering you new stability. You know, they're offering you commitment. Okay, they're definitely offering you emotional stability as well when they try to come back in here. All right, what else for this King of Wands, this Queen of Wands? Okay, yeah, this was definitely an Aries, or it could be, you know, any fire sign. All right, Aries, Leos, or Sagittarius. I'm definitely feeling big Aries energy here. Or this Aries could have definitely left you for another fire sign as well. Okay. But honestly, the person that he or she had left you for found out that she was like, you know, a little bit of a sleazer, because they also had a different option. And it seems like, okay, so it seems like they left you. This is just a small story. Seems like they left you for someone, and then the person that they left you for actually left them for someone else. Whole time though, it was a secret. So when that person left you, they did not know that this little sleazer right here had someone else also. That was just for some of you all. Okay. Nothing came in from that situation. That's exactly why this person is coming back in the same boat that they left you in. Okay. I mean the same boat that they left in. They're coming back in that, but they're not bringing nothing though. Or, you know, you just have to pay attention to what they actually bring when they do come in. And you probably need to say something about that. If you feel like that's not what you want, then you should definitely voice it. But they're definitely coming in. Okay, let's go ahead and clarify the Six of Cups. All right, you could be dealing with a Libra, okay? Whatever the situation is, though, they're definitely going to want to step out and take this risk with you, and you're wanting to do that as well. But you're also wanting balance before anything with this situation, Scorpio, okay? Because you're going with you're going to step into this situation, into this, you know, you may step into the situation with, I see you stepping into this situation with your counterpart. Okay, but you're definitely going to want to restore balance in that situation, and you're definitely going to have your guards up because you have been wounded in the past. But I feel like you are going to be taking, you know, you're going to take that risk, right? You're going to take this new opportunity. It's really how I feel. All right, what else? What other messages do we have for Scorpio in love? Okay, you could definitely be dealing with the Aries, Scorpio. All right, what else do we have for Scorpio in love, Spirit? What else do we have for Scorpio in love? What else do we have for Scorpio in love, Spirit? Thank you. We have plant the seeds. Okay, so go on ahead. You know, now is the time to actually, you know, open up your mouth, say what it is that you need to say, manifest what it is that you want to manifest. Okay, now is the time that you do that, so that by harvest season you can get your harvest. Okay, now's the time to actually plant your seeds in this relationship. Okay, now's the time to bring on that change in progress. Yeah, now's the time to bring on that change so that you can see that progress. Okay, y'all's relationship progress. What else? What else do we have for Scorpio in love and romance? Thank you. All right, and then we have go with the flow. Look, honey, they come back in that rowboat and they, you know, just go with the flow. Get in the rowboat, honey, and roll on down the shore with them, okay? Into calmer waters. Go with the flow. All right. Meditation to dig deep, okay? To get clarity there, okay? Work on that third eye chakra. Make sure that you're going and you're grounding, okay? So that you can go ahead and get more clarity when this time does come for you, okay? When this person does try to come and reconciliate, you know, just ground yourself and meditate so that you can really, really, really get some more clarity. All right, Spirit, what answer do you have for Scorpio's question in love and romance? What answer do you have for Scorpio's question, please, Spirit? What answer do you have for Scorpio's question? What answer do you have for Scorpio's question, Spirit? What answer do you have for Scorpio's question? Thank you. Because, baby, big happy changes are definitely coming. Yes. Those calmer waters, honey, are definitely coming, okay? Ask your angels, and they say choose a new direction. Okay? And definitely ask your angels. Make sure that you're meditating to get the clarity that it is that you seek. All right? And I hope that this resonated with some of you all. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I do talk back. Hit that notification bell so that you can get updated readings from this channel. And until next time, Scorpio, bye.